This is year 10 unit 1, and we're on percentage increase and decrease, and also then a wee bit of reverse percentages. So just taking a wee look then at these. I have a wee fallback method for this, and it works every single time. So reduce by 35% in a sale. We need to find 35% of this, and we need to take it off. The way I always do it is to find 1%. 1% of 450 divided by 100, and that gives me £4.50. I want 35%, so I'm going to do 4.5 times by 35. If I put that into the calculator, 4.5 times by 35, I end up with 157.5. And I want to subtract that. So if I then do 450, take away 157.5, I end up with £292.50. Now there are other ways, but they're not for the faint-hearted. If you feel like you really know what you're doing, if you do £450 times by 0.65, that will give you the answer straight away. Because taking off 35% is the same as finding 65%, and that will find you 65% straight away. But again, if you're not sure what's going on, stick with the find 1%, find 35%, take it off. Works every single time. 9,875 increased by 19%. Very similar. 1% is 9,875 divided by 100, which gives me 98.75. 19% is 98.75 multiplied by 19, which is 1876.25, and then I'm going to add that 9875 plus 1876.25. 1175.25. Sorry, 11751.25. Then is our answer there. Again, if you know what you're doing, you can do 9875 multiplied by 1.19. But as I say, it's not for the faint-hearted. Reverse percentages. Annoyingly, I've just taught you this method for percentages. It doesn't work for reverse percentages. A coat costs £78.30 in a 13% off sale. What was the original price of the coat? They've taken the 13% off. That's what makes it a reverse percentage. And once they've taken it off, we get £78.30. So this is, wait for it, 87% of the original amount, and we want to find 100%. Where did I get 87 from? It's 100 take away 13. If you take 13% off something, you're left with 87%. So 87% equals £78.30. I want 1%. If I have 87%, I'm going to divide by 87. £78.30 divided by 87. I end up with 0.9. Quite a nice number for us then. And then 100% is 0.9 times by 100. So the coat must originally have cost £90. If you find 13% of this and take it out and to add it on, it doesn't work. It's not going to give you the same answer. It's really a different question. Okay. Next one, a man sells a car for £1,800. This is 40% less than he paid for it. What did he originally pay for the car? 40% less means this must be 60%. Hopefully you can see where that comes from. So 60% is 1,800. 1% is then going to be 30, isn't it? It is. And so 100% is 30 times 100. So it must have originally cost him then £3,000.